Here's our new shop car at Prestigious Innovation Development. 2017 all-wheel drive Cadillac ATS. Solid flake. I can't see it right now because of the sun. And these black inlays. Roof in black. It's actually got a chameleon pearl to it. It just hasn't been cleared yet. Gas tank cover is going to be done in black. It's going to be stripped along the whole bottom. Bottom 3 inches, I'd say. It's going to be black. Kind of like in the front here. Like these inlay I put on these lights though. Haven't ever seen anybody do that before. Flake still needs some more clear, but I didn't want to build up the clear over the chrome flake too much before I got the black cleared, so there wasn't too much difference in the depth of the paint. I'm gonna finish up the black, then spray the whole thing clear all at once. So you probably can't see it, but this actually has a light chameleon pearl to it too. A blue, green, and purple tint to it. Once the clear's on there, it'll really show up. Mirrors are going to be black. Door handles are going to be black. Thanks for having a look. Tell me what you think.